Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre, AD Trader. It is March 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is pulling back a little bit, so we are down $6.43. That's 3.25%. Closed at 191.15. Post-market, we seem to be down a little bit more by 68 cents. So let's take a look at what this looks like on the chart. So we have our bullish channel. We are still in the bullish channel. And yesterday we broke 187.80.41. Nice big green candle. And today we climbed a little bit higher, but we were squished down a little bit. So we are pulling back maybe down to a third of where we were yesterday. That's okay. This is just a pullback. We had a big day yesterday. We even have a little bit of a gap up. And some people were talking about, what about the gap? There's a gap yesterday. Yes, but not all gaps need to be filled. When we have a runaway gap, so when a stock is starting a new move up, it does not need to be filled, because if a stock starts a new move up, it means that there's a bunch of buyers, and the buyers won't be stopping because there's a gap. If they want to go in, they will go in, and if there's enough of them, this will drive the price up. And nobody will want to sell at a lower price if everybody is going to start to push the price up. Gaps, we need to be very careful with gaps. If after we have a long move, then we have a gap up, then maybe that gap up is going to be fulfilled. There will be people that will want to sell at that point. But when a stock starts to move and it moves fast, then finding sellers to bring the stock back down is a little bit harder. Let's go take a look at the 1 hour charts. So the first hour of the day, we went towards 290, which was the previous intraday resistance. So we reached that resistance, could not break it, came down for the first 3 hours, and then we tried again. Tried again to go up, we did not succeed, went sideways, and now things are weakening a little bit on the last hour. In terms of the indicators on the 1 hour chart, so we barely are keeping stochastic at over 60. MACD just crossed over bearish, and we have RSI that's plunging a little bit, still above 50, and the MI is still good. Let's go back to the daily chart. On the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. So we lost stochastic over 60. When we lose stochastic over 60, but we are still above a decent support, we should stay in the stock. The stop for this move is at 187.41. MACD is very close to breaking over bullish. RSI is still above 50, and the MI is still bullish. So today the Fed announced that they were increasing their interest rates by 0.25%. This is a small increase, but it's still an increase. And based on reports that I've seen, the Fed chairman seemed to have mentioned that there would be maybe only one other increase. This should help the stock market. But so far, that 0.25 hike was received okay. We don't have a plunge with Tesla. This is just a pullback. Let's take a look at the VIX a little bit. So VIX started the day pretty down, and now we have a move back up a little bit. So we closed at 22.25. Still trend-wise, in terms of stochastic trend, we are still heading down, and we are still here making a lower high and a lower low. So that's fine. A pullback on NASDAQ, we still made a higher low and a higher high. That's not too bad. S&P 500 tried to break the downward resistance right here, could not, and came back down. And for NASDAQ, we also have a pull down, but we still got stochastic there. Let's take a look at gold a little bit. So gold had a good day, and it's still maintaining 1507, our support there. So nice power with gold. Silver breaking out. We were into this downward resistance, and we had been climbing quite fast, and we were pausing a little bit. Now, boom, we are breaking it. We have stochastic over 60. This is the risk. The only problem is that we are now very close to this resistance right here. So yes, if you enter here on this buy signal, just be ready to get out if you see that we are caving in right here. So possibly just a little bit of profit to be taken. But if silver is stronger and breaks this, then you will have been set. In terms of Bitcoin, Bitcoin is maintaining itself quite well. So look at this here, a nice congestion zone. This is consolidation, nothing to fear here. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.